Assalamu alaikum guys. Today is our topic is h2so4 reaction with water. Now we search h2so4 react with water. Sulfuric acid h2so4 reacts very vigorously with water in a high exothermic reaction. If you add water to concentrated sulfuric acid, it can boil and spit and you may get a nasty acid burn. Now we open the first website. All information are available here. By Annie Marie Hellman site, PhD update on August 17 August 2019. When you mix concentrated sulfuric acid and water, you pour the acid into a large volume of water. Mixing the chemical the other way can present a lab safety hazard. Whether you add acid to the water or water to the acid is one of those things that important to remember, but you may need to figure out. Sulfuric acid h2so4 react with vigorously with water in a high extremic reaction. If you add water to concentrated sulfuric acid, it can boil and spit and you may get a nasty acid burn. If you are wondering about the temperature change, mixing 100 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid and 100 ml of water initially at 19 degree Celsius reach a temperature over 131 degrees Celsius with a minute. The spitting or splashing of acid that result from mixing them in the incorrect order is from the intense heat produced by delayed boiling. Sulfuric acid and water safety. If you spill some sulfuric acid on your skin, you want to wash it off with a copious amount of running cold water as soon as possible. Water is less dense than sulfuric acid, so if you pour water on the acid, the reaction occur on the top of liquid. If you add the acid to the water, it sinks. Any wild and crazy reaction have to get thought the water or beaker to get to you. How do you remember this? Here are some mnemonics. A. Add acid to water like A and W roots beer. Third, drop acid, not water. Fourth, if you think your life's too placid, add the water to the acid. Fifth, first the water, then the acid, otherwise it's want to be placed. Personally, I don't find any those mnemonics easy to remember. I get it right because I figure if I get it wrong, I don't rather have a whole container of water splash on me than a whole container of sulfuric acid. So I take my chance while the small volume of acid and the large volume of water. Sulfuric acid and water reaction. When you mix sulfuric acid donate a hydrogen ion producing hydronium ion. Sulfuric acid become its conjugate base h2so4. The equation for the reaction h2so4 plus h2o plus h3o plus hso4 minus.